How to get your Instagram account back from being disabled. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get your Instagram account back from being disabled. If your Instagram account has been disabled, you will see a message when you try to log in, explaining that it may have violated Instagram's community standards. If you believe the account was disabled by mistake, you can request a review by opening the app, entering your username and password, and following the on-screen instructions. If you don't see a disabled message, it could be a login issue. If your account was deleted by you or someone else with your password, it cannot be restored. You can create a new account with the same email address, though you may not be able to use the same username. If someone else gained access to your account, or if you're unable to log in, visit Instagram's support page via desktop or mobile browser to secure your account. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.